Spring has come to visit. The breeze is soft and sweet. Lila and young Theo step lightly on their feet. Flowers start to open as the morning sun appears. Magic fills the garden after a year of sleep. Bloom, 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 little flowers in the sun. Bloom, 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 springtime has begun. Bloom, 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 gently rise and sway. Magic fills the garden softly and gently. Lila sees a tulip slowly waking from the ground. Theo sees a daisy making such a tiny sound. Petals glow like lanterns in the early morning light. Springtime brings a gentle spark that makes the world feel bright. Soft and slow, the flowers grow. Soft and slow, the breezes blow. Soft and slow, the colors show. Springtime whispers, here we go. Butterflies are drifting with wings of pastel blue. They circle the children as the blossoms peek through. Lila laughs so softly, and Theo smiles wide and warm. Springtime brings a magic touch that feels like gentle charm. Bloom, 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 little flowers in the sun. Bloom, 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 springtime has begun. Bloom, 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 gently rise and sway. Magic fills the garden softly and gently. A tiny bud glows with a soft golden gleam. It opens like a story from a quiet, happy dream. Lila leans in closer, and Theo whispers, look at that. The petals shine like morning light upon a sleeping cat. Glow, little flowers, glow so bright. Glow in the morning, glow in the light. Glow in the breezes, soft and slow. Glow as the springtime starts to grow. The garden starts to shimmer as the colors fill the air. Pink and yellow blossoms dance lightly everywhere. Lila twirls in circles, and Theo spins around once more. Springtime paints the world with magic right outside their door. Soft and slow, the flowers grow. Soft and slow, the breezes blow. Soft and slow, the colors show. Springtime whispers, here we go. A gentle rain of petals fall softly from above. The children watch them flutter like tiny signs of love. The garden hums a melody that drifts along the breeze. Springtime sings a lullaby to flowers and to trees. Bloom, 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 little flowers in the sun. Bloom, 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 springtime has begun. Bloom, 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 gently rise and sway. Magic fills the garden softly and gently. Drift, little petals, drift so light. Drift in the morning, drift the bright, drip in the breezes, soft and slow, drift as the springtime starts to glow. Lila finds a blossom shaped like a tiny star. Theo finds another, not too far. They place them in a circle on the soft grassy ground. Springtime makes a magic ring that sparkles all around. The sunlight dances gently on every leaf and stem. The flowers bow politely as if greeting them. Lila hums a melody and Theo hums along. Springtime makes the perfect tune for a gentle, happy song. Bloom, 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 little flowers in the sun. Bloom, 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 springtime has begun. Bloom, 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 gently rise and sway. Magic fills the garden softly and gently. Bloom, 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 colors bright and new. Bloom, 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 pink and yellow too. Bloom, 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 softly through the day. Magic fills the garden softly and gently. Spring has come to visit with colors warm and true. Lila and young Theo wave as breezes wander through. Flowers shine around them in a gentle glowing ring. Magic fills the garden every time it turns to spring.